Okay, so December by Collective Soul. We've went through the first verse with all the... Now we're getting into the chorus part. And what I'm using is a G chord, F chord, to a C chord, to a B flat chord. And let's see, for the G chord, this is the whole G chord, and really I'm just focusing on strings 6, 5, and 4. So you can even just go like this. Put your first finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret, third finger 5th string, 5th fret, and pinky 4th string, 5th fret. And then I'm playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then catching this open E before I shift to the F chord. So we have so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then I'm going to the 5th string, same shape, strings 5, 4, and 3, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I'm catching the open A. Then to B flat, 1 and 2 and 3 and I'm moving my first finger up 1 fret to the B. I'm playing that for 4 and. So here's what it sounds like. And if you play them at a reasonable speed, they blend in together pretty good. And then after that, there's this little... And what I'm doing is I'm barring the first 2 strings at the 3rd fret, and I'm playing, let's see, with my right hand, 1 and 2 and. On the ands of the first 2 beat, I'm emphasizing that 2nd string muted. And then 3 and 4 and beat 3, I'm playing the 1st and 2nd strings barred at the 3rd fret. And a 3, my 3rd finger hits the A on the 1st string 5th fret. And I'm playing both strings. Lift the 3rd finger up. Then open 2nd string, that is muted. And it just gives that little bit of space so you can move to the next chord. Now, I've been showing everybody this chord. Whoops. Which is the same shape as this. But this is what I prefer to play. And then go to 2nd and 3rd strings, 1st finger on the 6th fret of the 2nd string, 2nd finger on the 7th fret of the 3rd string, and then I add my 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 8th fret. So whichever one you prefer, if you use the one I'm using right now, which I think sounds better, then you catch that muted open 3rd string G. And again, it gives you time to shift. So, just to back up a little. Then I'm going to bar the 5th fret, 2nd and 3rd strings. But this time, when I add my 3rd finger, it's going to be 2 frets higher on the 7th fret on the 3rd string. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And again, that muted G. Then drop back 2 frets to 3rd and 5th. So we have 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. You do that, let's see, 2 times. good stopping point. Best of luck.